Good morning, dear students. This is the last part of the lecture under Unit 1, Planning and Sports, and in this lecture we will be discussing about procedure to draw league fixture. In the previous lecture we discussed about how to draw a knockout fixture, but today we will be discussing about how to draw league fixtures. Under the league fixture we have two methods. One is the cyclic and other one we have the staircase method. Let's see what is the cyclic method. In the cyclic method, if the number of team is even, okay, if the number of team is even, then the number one is fixed on the top right hand side corner of the fixture. Let's look at one of the examples. If the number of teams, let's say that if the number of team is even, like total number of team is 6, which is the even number, so this number 1 will fix like this, and the number of teams will be arranged in an ascending order. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the first things we have to do in the first round. That is, let me repeat again, the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and number 1 you have to put under circle because the number 1 team is fixed and it's not going to change its positions. But the remaining teams, as per to the cycling method, what happens then the remaining number of teams must move in the cyclic method, or we call this one as a clockwise direction. That is, it must move in this direction like this. So that's why the number 2 must change its positions and move in this direction like this. Also, this arrow sign also indicates like this. The numbers goes downwards. From here it goes to the other side. From here it goes to the top portions. So let's look at the second portions of this second round. Okay, in the second round you can see that the number 1 is still fixed, and the number 2, which was on the second position, it goes to the third positions, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So all the numbers moves one step ahead and changes positions. But only one step at a time, you have to understand that. So this is round 1, round 3, and if the round 3 also fall like this, then you have to draw the fixture as per to that. So this is an example for you to understand. In the same case, if the number of team is odd, okay, in the previous case we have discussed about if the number of team is even, but if the number of team is odd, what happens that in this case, the number on the top right hand side of the corner, by is given, and that by is fixed for all the fixtures, all for the rounds. So in this case, the total number of team is 7. So what happens is that the first top right hand side of the corner must be given as by, and the remaining teams must be put into ascending order. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the first thing you are supposed to do. And from the second round, also the by must remain fixed and stationary in one position, that is top right hand side of the corner, and the remaining number of teams must change its positions to one step forward on a cyclic method. So that's why number 1 was in the second position, it goes to the third position, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can see that all the number interchanges positions, moves one step forward. Let's take one solution and try to understand better by solving this solution. So in this case, in this question, draw a fixture of 6 teams. First, what you have to understand is that the simple question is very simple: 6 teams on league basis, and after you're supposed to use the staircase method or cyclic method. But first thing what you have to understand from the solution is that from this question is that 6 teams. That 6 team is number of teams, and number of team is it's an even number. So in this case, what happens that the number 1 must be fixed at the fixture that you have to understand. So total number of teams equal to n equal to 6. Then in this case, the total number of matches will be equal to n minus 1 divided by 2. So this new formula as compared to the knockout fixture, we have a different formula. But in this case, what happens that we just use the formula for the knockout matches, that is n minus 1 without this 2. But in this case, for the league fixtures, what we do is the n minus 1 divided by 2. So when you substitute value n equal to 6, what we get is we get 15 matches. And number of rounds will be equal to, that is n minus 1 will be equal to n minus 1, that is 6 minus 1 will give you 5 rounds. So in this case, we have how many matches? 15 matches, and after that, total round is 5. So by using these informations, with this information, let's draw a fixture like this. That is, when you draw a fixture, that is, it's already mentioned that there are 5 rounds. So that's a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So these are 5 rounds. At the same time, the total number of team is 6. So that's why, first of all, the first important thing is this one first round from here like this. This is the base of the fixture. So always draw this fixture first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Draw this one as per to the ascending order. Then put the arrow sign downwards, and it goes to the other side, and from here it goes to the top side like this. After that, the number of team is even. So that's why I put this one under circle. Means this number 1 is not going to change the position in all the rounds. So you can see that in all the rounds, the number 1 is stationary or fixed in one position. Then after that, after form the first round like this, since this is cyclic method, so you need to move the teams in a cyclic patterns or in a clockwise direction. So that's what happens there. The number 2 changes position to the third one, and all the number changes position. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And from here like this, we'll go to the third position here like this. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then again from here it goes one step forward, that is here like this, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And from here it goes back to here like this, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. And this is how you draw a cyclic method using the staircase. Now this is a lead fixture using the cyclic method. But let's do one more example using the number of team as 5, which is a odd number. In the previous case we have used the even number, but in this case we're using the odd number, and let's see how the solution is. So in this case exactly the same thing. The total number of teams will be equal to 5. Total number of matches will be same formula. And as we get 10 matches. But in this case there's slight change. Total number of round equal to, that is, we have straight away write down the and, that is total number of teams will be also equal to the total number of rounds. But in the previous case, if the number of teams is even, what you have done is that you have used and minus 1 when it's evens. But when it is odd, what you do is that the total number of teams will be equal to the total number of rounds. So that's why and stand for the total number of teams, and at the same time it also stand for the total number of rounds. So there's a slight change for this one. Let's go to solutions and see how to solve the solutions. So again here like this, the total number of rounds is 5. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rounds like this. And under the round, the first base of this fixture is this is the base. So we'll draw the fixture like this. But what you have done is that understand is that the total number of there's a team is odd, which is the number of team is 5, which is an odd number. So that's what happens that in this case the formula says like this: we need to put the by on the top right hand side of the corner. That's the rules. So in this case you can see that by is given in all the top right hand side of the corner like this. So this by is stationary and fixed in all the positions. That means after that, after putting the by, put the number in ascending order. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is base of that. This is the first round, and this is the base of the fixtures. After putting this one, the number just keep on changing its position. So that's what happens. That from 1, which on the second place, it goes to the third place, and after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and from here it goes to the one step forward to the third round. Then after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and again it goes one more step forward. Then after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and from here it goes to one step forward. That's to the on the top. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it always moves one step forward. So that's the things about cyclic method. So cyclic means it's in a circles. You have to go in the circle method one step at a time. And first of all, like draw the base. That is, put the number in ascending order, and that's where you are supposed to draw the fixture. Let's see next another method that is called the staircase method. Staircase method. So under the staircase method, in this staircase method, the fixtures must be are made just like a ladder. Okay, just like a ladder or staircase. So that's the thing. That is, all you have to do is that you have to draw the fixture in terms of the staircase or in the form of ladder. Okay, I'm sure you have seen the structure of the ladder. So what you do is that you just need to draw the structure like this. But what you have to understand from this staircase method is that in this method, no by is given. Okay, so that's the good things about this one. So that's why it becomes much more simple as compared to the other part of the fixture. So in this method, no by is given to any of the teams, and there is no problem of odd or even number. So either it is odd number of teams or even number of teams, everything remains the same no matter how many number of teams may be. So that's the things about this staircase method. So there are two things you have to remember. There's no by is given, and after that there's no problems for the odd number of teams or even number of teams. You just draw exactly the same for all kind of fixture. Let's take one example. That is, draw a fixture of 9 teams. So like I say, like it doesn't matter either the number of teams or evens, everything will be remain the same. So total number of teams is 9. Then after draw league fixtures basis on the staircase method. So we are supposed to use the staircase method, and this is what I mean, or this is how the structure looks like the staircase. By staircase, because you can see that this stair is always in this form like this. So this is why, or you can see the ladder is always in the form like this, and after you go one step like this. So this is the structure of the staircase method. To understand this one very simply, is what happens if the total number of teams is 9. So what happens there, you start putting the number in this order like this. So this is an easy way for you to understand like this. First, you put 1, 2, 3. So you just put 8 number. I'll just fill up this one like this. So this is 8, 7, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is the first thing you are supposed to do. That is always put the number like this. That is 1. Since the number of team is 9 like this, so that's why what happens, you start putting, you cannot put 1 like this. So that's why, because 1 cannot play against the same team, so what happens, you start putting like this: 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6 1 7 1 8 1 9. So this is the first base of the fixture. That is how you are supposed to draw. That is 1 2 1 3 1 4 like this. Then after that, the number 1 is stationary and fixed in one position like this. Then after that, let's go to the next fixture. That is, in this case, what happens there? Number 2. We'll start with the 2 like this. So again, like this, 2 cannot play with the same 2 like this. So what happens there? You 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay. Then in the third case, also like this, 3 cannot play with the same teams. That is 3. So that's why 4 5 6 7 8 9. Also, in this case, also like this, 4, you take the next number, so that's a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5 is a 5, so that's why you take a 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, and a 6, so that's why 7, 8, 9. Then 7 will be 8, 9, so it is 8, so 9 and 8. So basically, from the first base, what you can understand is that in the first fixture, 1 cannot play against you with the same number of teams, so that's why you start with 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. And after that, all the number repeat again and again. In the first round, that is the number of, you can take the number of 1 as the number of teams, and the second round, there is a number of 2 as 2, 3, 4, 5. And in this case, what happens is you get the number. This is how you draw the fixtures, and after you get a number of matches. Like in this case, in the first round, what you can see that 1 will play against 2, 1 play against 3, 1 will play against 4. So in this way, you can draw a fixture. Okay, and the number of teams will play. 2 will play against 3, 2 play against 4, 2 will play against 5. 2 has already played with a 1 like this, so that's why you are not putting 2 1 like this, because already the number of matches for the 2 and 1 is also mentioned in this fixture part of the fixture. So that's why you are not put 2 1, but you straight away 2 3, and you cannot put 2 2 like this, because you cannot play with the same number of things. You cannot play with yourself. So that's why this 2 1 we're not putting, and 2 3 is 2 2 we're not putting. But this is the base of the fixture. There is when you put here like this, then the remaining part of the fixture becomes simple. So this is how you draw a staircase method, which is a very easy one. So this is a homework for you. That is, draw a fixture of 8 teams on league basis according to the cyclic method, which is number of teams is even. So you have to make sure that the number 1 is fixed at the one part of the fixture. And draw a fixture of 7 teams. So in this case, this number of teams is also, that's why by must be given at the top part of the fixtures, and the number of teams must move in cyclic method on this in the staircase method. There's clockwise directions. The scoremetry is draw fixtures of 10 teams according to the staircase method. So the total team is 10, so that's why it will be 1 9 1 2 or 1 8. It will be like this: 1 1 2 1 3 till that 10. You will have to go like this. So this is the questions for this is the homework for you. If you have any doubts, let me know. Then after that, I'll be able to clarify your doubts also. Okay, thank you.